Hi guys, I really do not know if you're aware of the fact that you cannot use your normal Facebook profile to run Facebook and Instagram ads. On that note, in this video, I'll be teaching you how to create a business account from the beginning to the end. Now, let me tell you something. If you're a business owner or you're that one person looking forward to creating ads, it can be for yourself, it can be for people's businesses. You need this business account for you to get the visibility that you want. Now guys, I am urging you to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because in this video I won't just teach you how to create, I'll teach you how to properly optimize this page, how to link it up with necessary things that are very important when it comes to running Facebook and Instagram ads. So what do I want you to do for me at this point? If you are yet to subscribe, if you're yet to like this video, kindly do it. So because I don't want this video to be long, come with me to my screen recorder. Let me show you how to do this thing from the beginning to the end. At this point guys, you need to come over to your Facebook app. So you open your Facebook app. Once you do that, it will take you to your profile. Like right now, this is my profile. Here is my profile. So this is what you're to do. You have to click here. You have to click here. So once you click it, it will take you to this interface. So once it brings you to this interface, you scroll. Once you scroll, you will see pages. You will see pages. You click on pages. So once you click on pages, it will bring you to this interface. This is what you're to do. Here you have to click on create. Click on create. Once you click on create, it will now bring you to this interface. So at this point, you have to click on get started. Get started. You click on get started. Once you click on get started, it will now load and bring you to this interface. At this point, I do believe that you must have gotten your name, like your page name. So here you have to put your page name, and this is your page name because it is a business account we are creating. It is something professional. You understand? We are not creating the usual stuff. You understand? So it has to reflect what you'll be doing. So here, let me just say Lioness Services. Let me say Lioness Services, or let me say smartwatches. Let me say smart, meaning I'll be selling watches. Smart watches. You understand? So I'll click on next. I'll click on next. What is it saying? Page name that are too broad are not allowed. Okay, it says page name that are too broad are not allowed. So you need to be very careful with the name you're using. So let me just say Lioness Digital Services. Lioness Digital Service. Oh Jesus, I made a mistake. It should have been services, not service. But that notwithstanding, let me go back. So you can always go back. So services, you click on next. So once you click on next, it will take you to another interface. So this interface here, it is asking us to choose our category. You understand? See, there is nothing you do on Facebook that you won't have a category. So here I will search. Let me just search. So let me say jewelries, services. We talked about services. Let me just say food. Oh, okay, food delivery service, fine. Then let me see if we will have hospitality. Is there anything like hospitality? Let me see the option it has. So ensure that was okay. I've chosen this. Let me just choose this. Guys, I'm just choosing. You understand? So you have to take time and choose yours. So after choosing, you click on create. I don't want this video to be long. That's why I had to go ahead to choose anything at all. You understand? But because you know what you want to do, you know what you want to do. So you have to take out time to choose the right categories for your page. Now guys, this is what we have to do. It has brought us here. It says you have created your page. What best describes your goals? So this is what best describes our goals. Promote your product or services. So this one is best for companies, non-profits, and other organizations. Create content and connect with fans. Best for creators and personal brands. So we are not looking for personal brands here because we want to use it for business. So this is the one we are going for. Promote your product or services. So you click on it. Once you click on it, you click on continue immediately. So once you click on continue, it will bring you to this interface. It will bring you to this interface. So here it is asking us of our bio. Your bio is very, very important. Remember that this is not anyhow kind of page. This is for business. So here you write your bio. Now let me tell you something. In case you do not know what to write, you can quickly go on ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT that this is what you do. This is what you want to go into. That it should write a good bio for you. You understand? So I'll just write we help content creators. Don't write what I'm writing. Content creators gain visibility. We help content creators. Okay, let me say we help business owners. We help business owners gain visibility. You understand? So I'm just writing this. So after this, you click on next. I am just writing this because I don't want this video to be long. So you can move over to ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT what you do. ChatGPT will go ahead to write it for you professionally. So here is the banner. Here you can use your logo. Now let me tell you how you go about designing this your banner. If you go on Canva, you can go on Canva and tell Canva that you're looking for a banner for a Facebook page. It will bring out many of them. It will bring out many of them for you. I don't want this video to be long. I would love to do this. Now, in a situation where you do not know how to do it, let me know in the comments. Just let me know in the comments. So here, I'll just go ahead. I'll go ahead to choose any picture at all. Any picture. I can just choose this. I can choose this. Well, this one, I think that was my network. For the logo, you can choose your picture. I'll choose this one as well. So it's network. My network is terrible. So you go ahead to choose. So once you choose, this place will be visible. You see this next will be visible. So my network is actually very terrible now. I can't do anything. So in case it's terrible like that, you can click on that edit. You can click on the edit. This one says custom your action. I am trying to do this, but network is not letting me. So at this point, I'll click on next. Now I'll click on save. So why it is like this is because network has not allowed me to fix my banner and my logo. So here you fix your banner and your logo. At this point, I'll click on next. Guys. I'll click on next. So here it is telling me to invite friends. So here are my friends. I may choose to invite any of them. So at this point, I'll just invite this person. I'll click on next. So I'll click on next. Guys, this particular page is for tutorial purpose. So here I'll click on done. So if you check, it is telling us the page health is showing us fair. Once you're able to complete everything, it will show you good or very good. You understand? So now it is telling me to switch over to the page. So this is the page loading like right now. This is the page loading like right now. I think my network is terrible. I need to change this. I need to change this to 3G. My network is terrible, guys. So many things I would love to show you. So here, guys, our page has been created. Our page has been created. So here is for your logo. Here is for your cover. So let me see if I can add a logo. Let me see if I can add this. Let me see if I can add this as well. If I can add this. So this is just for tutorial purpose, like I rightly stated. You have to take out time to design yours. You need to take out time to design yours. You understand? So this is it. So at this point, if you want to get WhatsApp messages, you can link your WhatsApp. You can link your WhatsApp here. You can link your WhatsApp. You can link your WhatsApp. So this is it, guys. So let me click on WhatsApp. So here it's telling me to make a post. What is on my mind? I am not ready to make a post yet. I am not ready to make a post yet. So guys, at this point we have created a page. This is a business page. This is the most important thing. So you can go ahead to fix other things that we are not able to fix because of terrible network. So this is how easy it is. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now. Look at our new page.